Hello everyone! Welcome back to DOK GILMAC Online Tutorial, Grade 9 Mathematics Tutorial. The topic I will be discussing for today's tutorial is all about illustrations of quadratic equations. Consider a warm-up drills. Find each indicated product, then answer the questions that follow. Number 1. 4 times quantity x squared plus 6. This is just equal to 4x squared plus 24. Number 2. 5c times quantity c minus 4. This is just equal to 5c squared minus 20c. Number 3. Quantity a minus 4 times quantity a plus 4. This is just equal to a squared minus 16. Number 4. Quantity k minus 8 times quantity k plus 5. This is just equal to k squared minus 3k minus 40. Number 5. Quantity 7 minus 5p times quantity 7 plus 5p. This is just equal to 49 minus 25p squared. Questions? Number 1. How did you find each product? You simply applied distributive property, FOIL method, and spatial products formula. Number 2. How would you describe the products obtained? The products obtained are polynomials with degree 2. Take note, a quadratic equation in one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2 that can be written in the following standard form: ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Consider 3x squared plus 4x minus 7 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation in standard form where a equals 3, b equals 4, and c equals negative 7. Let's have illustrative example number 1. Determine whether the following equations is a quadratic equation or not. If not, identify what kind of equation are given. Single I. 4x minus 5 equals 0. Not a quadratic equation. It is a linear equation since the degree is equal to 1. Double I. X cubed minus 64 equals 0. Not a quadratic equation. It is a cubic equation since the degree is 3. Triple I. X squared minus 8x plus 16 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation in one variable and in standard form, where a equals 1, b equals negative 8, and c equals 16. Let's have illustrative example number 2. Determine whether the following equations is a quadratic equation in standard form. Single I. 4x squared minus 5 equals 0. Quadratic equation in standard form where a equals 4, b equals 0, and c equals negative 5. Double I. X times quantity x plus 4 equals 0. quadratic equation but not written in standard form. We still have to get the product of this monomial and a binomial for you to be able to form this equation in standard form. Triple I. Quantity x plus 3 times quantity x minus 5 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation but not written in standard form. Number 4. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation in standard form where a equals 1, b equals negative 5, and c equals 6. Let's have illustrative example number 3. Rewrite the following quadratic equations in standard form. Single I, x times x plus 4 equals 0. We have to multiply x by x to have x squared plus x times 4 to get 4x is equal to 0. So from here, we have x squared plus 4x equals 0, where a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals 0. So from here, we can say that this given quadratic equation is now in standard form. Double I. Quantity w plus 3 times quantity w minus 5 equals 0. Apply FOIL method to be able to rewrite this in standard form. So we have w times w plus 3 times w minus 5 times w minus 5 times 3. So we have w squared minus 2w minus 15, where a equals 1, b equals negative 2, and c equals negative 15. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. That's why the middle term is negative 2w. Triple I. 3k times k minus 2 equals 4. Again, multiply 3k by k and 3k by negative 2. Okay, apply distributive property. So from here, we have 3k squared minus 6k minus 4 equals 0. Where a equals 3, b equals negative 6, and c equals negative 4. C is negative 4 since positive 4 is transposed to the left side of the equation. That's why we have negative 4 here on the left side of the equation. So, 3k times k minus 2 equals 4 is simply the same as 3k squared minus 6k minus 4 equals 0. So, this given quadratic equation is now in standard form. Again, I would like to thank you for watching. Stand by for my next tutorial. Keep safe everyone, and may God bless us all.